Hey everybody, this is Nick from the Rochester Public Library. Today I want to show you how to connect your Rochester Public Library account to the Hoopla service that we offer. Hoopla allows you to listen to audiobooks and music, as well as read ebooks and watch some TV shows. So you'll need a couple things for this. You'll need your email address, you'll also need your library card from the Rochester Library, and you'll also need your account information that you use for your library card on our website. First, I'm going to show you how to connect to Hoopla on a computer. So once you open your web browser, you'll want to type in the address bar the Rochester Public Library website address, which is www.rpl.lib.nh.us. You'll want to click the Downloads link in the center of the homepage. The first link is for the Hoopla service and will bring you to the Hoopla webpage. To set up your account, click the link Get Started Today. Fill in the following form with your email and make a password for the service to log in. On the next page, you will choose the Rochester Public Library. Type in your library barcode along with your password or PIN from your Rochester Public Library account. If you have not set up your PIN or password, now is a good time to by visiting our website www.rpl.lib.nh.us. Click My Account in the top right corner and enter the library card barcode and your last name. Leave the password field empty, and then on the next page you will be able to create your new password. Once logged in, you can search for materials to check out. To set up a compatible device with the Hoopla app, open the App Store on your device and search for Hoopla Digital. When you first open the app, you will be asked to log in. If you have already set up an account for Hoopla, you can simply sign in. Or you can sign up with the same criteria for the online service. Once you complete the login information, you will be able to search the catalog for items to check out. Hoopla is a great app that's very versatile because it also allows you to either stream the media or content that you're looking at or even download it for offline use.